it will not dissolve in oil. Okay, and sugar dissolves in water. Okay, see, in the same way, this sugar does not dissolve in oil. In the same way, some substances which will dissolve in water. Some are there, right? But like paint, these all things does not dissolve in water. Okay. Hmm? So take your workbook first. First question. First question. Who will read the first question? Helen. Helen, read the first question fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, read it.
If sugar dissolves in water,
Ah,
then which of the following is true?
okay. Read the options.
A. It
Ah,
is
insoluble.
insoluble in water. C. B. It is soluble in water. C. It floats on water. D. It cannot form a solution in water at all.
So what is the answer of it? If sugar dissolves in water means it is soluble in water, right? It is soluble in water. See why I am reading this, because I had sent it yesterday, but I want to check whether you are writing. Yeah, is it correct or not? That also I want to check. Okay, so first question's answer is B. All of you check. First question's answer is B.
B.
Next question. Okay, Isra, please read second question. Isra, fast, fast. Rudra, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Which
read it.
of the following does not dissolve in water at all?
Okay, which of the following does not dissolve in water? Options also, read it. Options.
A. Sand. B. Sugar. C. Salt. D. Blue ink.
Blue ink. So, or Neil. See, which of the following does not dissolve? Here we want to check which are dissolving in water, which are insoluble in water.
Ma'am, sand.
So, okay, sand is not dissolved. Sand is the only one which is given in this that does not dissolve in water. Okay. Next question. I will ask Rudra Krishna. Read it fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Dash can.
Dash
audio.
Ma'am, can you send the
Yes.
link?
Link. Which link? No, dear. I am reading we are discussing the workbook exercise. Okay. Take a workbook of chapter 4, flow, sings and mixes. Okay. After some time, I will take the oral test. Okay. Read it, Rudra.
Dash can dissolve other substances in it.
A dash can dissolve other substances in it. What is the answer? What is the answer of it?
A solvent.
A solvent. Solvent is a substance that can dissolve other substances like water, milk, like this. Okay. Abel Austin, read the fourth question. Abel, read the fourth question and its answer fast. Abel.
A solution dash
Ah.
dissolve in a solvent.
In a solution, dash dissolves in a solvent. What is dissolving in a solvent? Solute. S-O-L-U-T. Okay. Ambrose, read the fifth one. See, while reading, you have to check it whether your answer is correct or not. Okay. If it is wrong, please correct it. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Ambrose, read
Ma'am,
the
you
fifth
send it in the
question.
WhatsApp.
Yes, I had already sent. Able, what you are doing there? Huh? Keep quietly. Okay, read Ambrose, read the fifth question first.
Give the example of any soluble substance.
Read it again properly. Read it again properly.
Give an example of an insoluble substances.
Is it un or in?
Insoluble.
Give the answer. Example of an insoluble substance. Any one insoluble substance. Yes, tell me.
Stone.
Tell me. Stone. Any one. Your own you can write. Okay. So you can write there stone, oil, sharpener, sand, anything you can write. Okay. So in the answer it is given learner's response. Means you can have your own answers. So any one answer is enough. Irene, how many answers? How many answers it is written there? Irene,
Four.
can you, 4 answers you wrote? Okay, any one is enough. Okay, any one. You can choose any one from there.
Ma'am, I also written 4.
Okay, any one is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Aromal, read the 6th question. See, 1 minute. Who's this one is on? Audio is on. Here, Helen, mute your audio. Mute it fast. Fast. Fast, Helen. Helen. Okay. Next one. Aromal, read the 6th question. Aromal, read the 6th question. Aromal.
Give the example of the suspense that floats on water.
See, sit quiet properly and read it. Sit properly and read it. Once again.
Give a example of substance that floats on water. Small
Give
piece.
give an example of a substance that floats on water. Why you are reading like this? Okay. What is the answer?
Small piece of wood, plastic bag, so on.
So any one you can write. Okay, choose one answer from that. Small piece of wood or plastic bag. No need to write so on. Rub that so on means etc. So on means etc. So take eraser and rub that so on. You can write either a small piece of wood or you can write plastic bag. See, okay, next one, Neville Joy. Please read the 7th question. Unmute and read.
When is a substance said to be sinking? Give an example.
Read it properly. Neville, read it properly. Why you are reading like so? Read it properly. 7th question. Read.
When is a substance said to be sinking? Give an example.
When is a substance said to be sinking? Give an example. Read the answer fast.
When some substances are added to
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Isa, please read the 7th question and answer. Isa.
When is
Isa.
said giving an example. When
See,
some
read
substances
it.
are added to certain liquids, they go to the bottom and settle there. This is called sinking.
Please read once again. Come near to that your audio. Come near to your device and read it. Read it once again. Yes.
When a substance said to be sinking, give an example. When some substances are added to certain liquids, they go to the bottom and settle there. This is called sinking.
When some substances are added to certain liquids, they go to the bottom and settles down. I showed you some metal pieces. When I put it in water, it went down, right? Say pin, otherwise some stone. These all things will go down and will settle down. That is called simple. Sand also. Sand also. Okay, sand also. Anupama, read the true or false. Anupama, read the true or false. Oil will float on water. It will not sink. It will float on water. Okay. And Leah, to switch on the video. Your network is slow. Okay. Anupama, please read it, Anupama. The true or false?
Sugar dissolves in cooking oil.
Sugar dissolves in cooking oil. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Okay, all of you check it. It is false. Ninth one. Fast, Anupama.
Common salt dissolves in water. True.
True. So ninth one, it is true. 10th one.
Substances soluble in water may not be soluble in other liquids. True.
Anupama, 1 minute. 1 minute. 10th one. Phala. Phala. Phala, unmute your audio, Phala.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me what is the answer of the 10th one? What is the answer of the 10th one? True or false?
True, true.
True, it is true. Okay. So, Anupama, read 11th one.
All liquids are universal solvent.
All liquids are universal solvent. Phala, what is the answer of it?
False, false.
False. Also, which is the universal solvent? Which is the universal solvent?
Water, water.
Water.
Water is the universal solvent.
Solvent.
Okay. Next one. Next question. Okay. Next question. Mute your audio. Everybody mute it. Next question. Bilsa,
to me.
Bilsa, read the 12th question.
Can I read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the 12th question.
Why do we call water as the universal solvent?
Okay, read the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Water can dissolve many substances, so it called the universal solvent.
Okay, see, and Leah, why you are unmuting? Huh? See, water can dissolve many substances in it. But some substances are there that will not dissolve in water, like paint, oil, this sort. But almost all substances are dissolving in water. That is why it is called universal solvent. Okay, 13th question. Faiz, unmute your audio and read the 13th question. Fast. Faiz, read it fast. 13th question. Read it fast.
Then what happens to the sugar when we add it to oil?
What happens to the sugar when we add it to oil? Okay, read it.
An answer?
Yes, yes.
When we add sugar to oil, it does not dissolve. It remains at the bottom.
Okay, when we add sugar, it is insoluble in oil. Sugar is insoluble in oil. So it will settle down at the bottom. But it can dissolve in water. Sugar can dissolve in water. Okay. See, 14th question. In the boxes given below, draw what will happen next. Write the reason in the space provided. So, a teaspoon of salt is added to a glass of water. What we will get? What we will get? What
The
did
salt
we
will
get?
dissolve.
Okay,
The
so
salt
it
will
will
dissolve.
and we will get a salt solution, right? We will get a salt
Yes.
solution. So when you are drawing, you have to draw a glass and some water also, right? Like this in the picture. Oh, here you are asking me to color it. No need to color, just do a shade. Okay, just do a shading. Okay, so that represents a salt solution. When we add salt in water, the salt will get dissolved and we
Dissolve.
will get a salt solution. Ambrose, show me your book. Did you draw that answer? Okay, show me. Okay, good, good. Okay. So, did we discuss the other question answers? Did I send it? One more is there, right? B is
No.
also there. Okay. A bowl of salt added to a glass of water. A bowl of salt, 1 teaspoon, it will become disappear into water. If we are adding in the same quantity of water, 1 bowl full of salt, what will happen? That also I showed it in the activity.
That will not dissolve. That will not
That will
dissolve.
not
The
dissolve.
water cannot.
It will,
After sometimes the salts foods dissolve.
okay, see
Extra
the water can't take this much salt into it, right? So the
yes.
excess salt will settle down at the bottom of the glass. Okay, so the
The water cannot
cannot
take up
take up any more salt. Okay, that also you shaded, and you have to show the white color also at the bottom. Okay, that represents what it represents, the white color at the bottom of the glass. So excess salt, the water which can't, the salt which can't taken up by the water. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
and Leah, why you are keeping it unmuted every time today? Huh? Mute, switch on your video. When it is asked, then only to do it. Okay? Unnecessarily comments, no need of it. The next one, 15th question. 2 more minutes are there, so we can do that question. So, 15th question. Who will read it? Ritul, please read the 15th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the 15th question.
Which of the following is used to clean the grease-stained clothes?
Grease-stained clothes. See, we are in the textbook also it is given, right? Some of the clothes we will give for dry cleaning. Why it is given for dry cleaning? Means if some oil or grease stains are there, we can't wash it here because oil and grease are insoluble in water. So we can't wash it there, but oil and oil and grease is dissolved in petrol. So we can give that clothes to dry cleaning. In dry cleaning, they are using petrol to wash these stains. Understood? Petrol. They are using petrol to wash these oil or grease stains. Easily they can wash it.
Ma'am, we
But
done
using-
it.
You had done. Okay. So here 15th one question. Who was reading that? Ritul. Okay, read the options also, Ritul. Yes, read it. Options.
A. Water. B. Petrol. C. Oil. D. Wall paint.
Okay, so which is the answer of the one question?
Petrol.
Which one? Petrol. So we can use petrol to clean grease stained clothes. Okay. Next one, 16th one also read it, Ridul. Fast.
Meera wants to paint pictures using her new postal color.
Okay.
Which of the following will be the most suitable solvent for the prepare the color for the paintings?
Okay. See, poster colors. See, poster colors will dissolve in which solvent? Poster colors will dissolve in what? Water. Okay. So, see, no need of petrol or kerosene or any other thing. These poster colors can dissolve in water. So, which one she will choose it for paintings? Water. Answer is A. Answer is A. Okay. So, 17th one also we can read it. I will call. Anha, read the 17th question and its answer. Anha. Anha. Anha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you did not send.
You need not send 17th question.
Okay, okay. We can discuss it. Today I will send it, but we can discuss it. Okay. Anha, read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it fast.
Ma'am, I don't have a book.
So up to this time, what you are doing there then? Huh?
Ma'am,
That is my and Leah, read the 17th question.
Okay,
Where is your one minute? Anika, where is your workbook?
ma'am, I am in my mother's home.
And Leah, read the 17th question fast.
Okay, ma'am. Laura's mother got some oil stains on her silk saree.
Oil stains. Oil stains. Stains means marks. Stains means marks. Okay. Oil stains means oil marks. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Stains on her silk saree. Can she wash them with water to get them removed? Give a reason for your answer.
Okay. See, some oil stains are there on the side. Question is, can we use water to clean it? Who can answer? Who can answer it? Raise your hand.
What
Those
was the
who
question, ma'am?
know that. It is question number 17. Question number 17 in the workbook. Who can answer it? Raise your hand. Irene, do you know the answer, Irene? Yes or no? Who can answer it? Issa. Don't know the answer. Issa. See, oil.
It cannot dissolve.
Yes, very
water.
good.
Cannot dissolve by
Oil stains. Oil stains. Oil does not
We should
dissolve
use
in
detergent.
water. So we can't use water for washing the oil stains. What we can use then? We can
Detergent.
leave it for dry cleaning. We can leave it for dry cleaning where they are using petrol for washing it, or we can use some
Detergent.
detergents. Okay, detergents also. So next one, can you see a 19th picture? 19th picture.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm 18th one.
Yes. 18th one I will send the water. This is the same related to that 17th. Okay. Next one. Why do all painters use liquids like kerosene to clean their brushes? Who can say the answer?
Ma'am, I can say it will not dissolve.
Anupama. Tell me.
Ma'am, paint do not dissolve in water. It dissolves in salt.
Kerosene. Okay. Paint does not dissolve in water. It only dissolves in kerosene, petrol, tincture, like this. Right? So turpentine, not tincture, turpentine. So
Ma'am?
these all. Yes.
Yesterday I my father show me how to paint. Then on my hand full of paint, and he give me the kerosene to go the
Wash it,
paint.
right? Okay.
Yes.
To remove the paint, not to go, to remove the paint from your board. See, before using kerosene, you might have used water to remove it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So at that time, can you be able to wash it through water?
Yes.
You washed it through water, using water?
No, ma'am. No.
So there the paint can only dissolve in kerosene.
Ma'am,
Okay.
one time my hand whitener fell and I tried to wash with water. Then I washed with oil.
Oil.
Yes,
Then
ma'am. I
it-
also
then
paint in
it
oil.
removed. Okay,
Yes,
then it
ma'am.
removed. Right. Okay. So some more question answers are there that I will send it today. You read the textbook properly. It is now the time to end up my class. Okay. Study the spellings properly. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay,
Bye
ma'am.
bye.
Ma'am, thank you.